The banana is a food necessary in the treatment of depression. In addition to phosphorus and magnesium, it also contains lots of tryptophan, which is a natural antidepressant that helps maintain serotonin levels in the brain and improves people's moods. Phytoalexin is another substance found in bananas that acts as a natural antibiotic. It's described as a powerful anti-aging agent because it has the ability to inhibit premature aging. Finally, phytoalexin also fights inflammation and cardiovascular disease. The banana is a powerful ally for people who want to lose weight. It gives us a full feeling, more energy for physical exercise, and improves mood, which certainly can become altered in initial stages of a new diet. Here's a banana drink recipe that you can add to your diet to help you lose weight. Ingredients: 1 banana, half a glass of kefir or plain non-fat natural yogurt, juice of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons flaxseed, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 pinch of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Instructions: mix all the ingredients evenly in a blender. We recommend that you drink it every morning, before breakfast on an empty stomach. For people with hypertension, it's recommended to remove cinnamon and ginger from the recipe, or at least consult your doctor before making the recipe to find out if regular consumption of these foods can complicate pre-existing health conditions. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.